Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start a data science use cases. So I will cover different type of use cases which is really uh, those challenges really faced by the different companies and how they try to solve those problems by using the data science. So the first example or the first use case I'm going to cover the remaining useful life in manufacturing industries. Okay, and in this use case I will try to identify each and everything, like starting understanding the problem statement, then data collection and loading part. Once we have done this, then data pre-processing, feature engineering, failure definition, and the model with the survival analysis. And finally, at the 7th, 8th, and 9th, I will try to predict the RUL and health score calculations. Then we will try to see how, basically, we try to visualize the health score. Okay. And then at last, we will try to monitor and update the model performance. If you wanted to know more about this use case, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.